Scrapper Sam here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Scrapper Sam Show. So yesterday I spotted a refrigerator in my neighborhood, like 2 minutes away from my house. Unfortunately, my trailer was already full, but not anymore. I just finished unloading at the scrapyard and I'm headed directly to the location of that refrigerator. So come along, let's see if that refrigerator is still there. It's not in the scrap zone. It's going to be another 3 weeks before that. Actually, I think it's the first week of January before that neighborhood is in the scrap zone again. So no one should be really looking for something in that neighborhood. We'll see if we get there before someone else and get that big, white, beautiful refrigerator for ourselves. Scrapper Sam. Bingo! Big boy is still there. We're gonna get it loaded right now. Load could start off like this. We got a nice refrigerator. I'm gonna have to walk it a little bit further than I anticipated, but those things they said need to go into the shred area, and then that I'm gonna drop off at home. And those two jacks I'm going to drop off at home too. But first, say hello to my little friend. Wow, this thing looks nice inside. Huh. It's a Samsung. So once we get this on the concrete, it should roll pretty easy until we go to the trailer, that is. And then it'll be a different story. And I'm going to get this on and I'll bring you guys right back. I need to go by the house and unload that, the jacks, the tent, and maybe a couple other things. But I'll reorganize this so that we can get more scrap on, and then we'll head out to the scrapyard again. Scrapper Sam. First selection of scrap in the scrap zone today. We got a reflector heater and a lamp. And we got something, yep, it's like a grill cover or something. All right, let's see what else we can find in here. It's a dishwasher and it's naked. Someone done took all the panels off, but fortunately it looks like most of the panels are still here. Don't see anything else. Yeah, that's it. All right, well, we'll get this on. Good scrap. The dishwasher on top of the fridge. You know, I was looking at this tire. It's really, you know, you take the dirt off of it. This is really a nice tire. It feels solid, like it's holding air. I'm gonna see if I can trade that in for a tire for my car here. All right, let's keep going. All right, we got more scrap. It's a nice bicycle too. Huh. It's a lady's bike. And a little red wagon as well. Nice camper. Okay, very productive day today. So far, so good. You know what? Okay, well, I was hoping there's going to be more to these, but that's okay. Definitely some good scrap here. shelving. This would have made good sidewalls for the trailer. Kind of something I needed before I put those wooden ones in, but we got it now. Oh, there's quite a bit of this too. There's more here. Wow. All right. Well, we're gonna have to figure this out. Got it strapped down. Just a little concerned that, you know, things might move around in there, but not going to do that now. All right. Wow, we almost got a full trailer. Almost every alley I've gone down so far today has had some scrap, and I'm gonna have to separate these two. What the? Oh, come on. There we go. How in the world did that get in there? Just take everybody. That's a little bit more plasticky than I prefer to take in, but can't spend all day for a couple of cents worth of steel trying to separate the two. So we'll just take them all, let the shredder sort them out. Another nice bicycle. All right, let's see what else. This is going really well though. Okay, we got a Christmas tree. 7.5 footer. Still good though. I imagine they got a deal on a newer Christmas tree though. Oh yeah, this is kind of like the one I've got. It's a pain in the patooey to put together. All right, this is a old school office chair that's mostly metal, unlike the new ones like this one here that's got a lot of plastic in it. This has got some weight to it, and it's definitely going with me. All right, an older bike. It looks like it's had some bad luck on the road too. Well, I think I'll put it on the top there, and we'll put another strap on. I mean, this is one of those days where we're gonna need 3 straps. I think we're about done too. 3 straps is more than enough. I think we've got plenty to head to the scrapyard. We'll take the scrappers' scenic route towards the scrapyard, and see what we can do. I think when it comes to Christmas decorations for this year, this guy might just be the winner. Wow, that's cool. Old Sony boombox and a TV. That's a really old one. Not that heavy though. We'll get that on. This will be it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. This will be the, if I can find a place for it, this will be the last item on this load. Maybe we can get it over there. Huh. I would like to take this with me. Maybe we can get it in here. Huh. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay. On to the scrapyard, and we need to get some air. Oh man, what is going on? It looks like something fell off into the creek there or something. I don't know. Maybe they're cleaning it? No, not cleaning. You guys be safe out there. There is too much of this nonsense going on today. The wire rack stuff is hot commodity. They're gonna unload that for me, so that's always nice. I don't get anything extra for it, but a lot of goodwill with the scrapyard and stuff. So start getting some of this things off here. Oh. Very, very, very busy today. And I've definitely got a lot of stuff to unload. They just don't make them like that anymore. see if this will cut. It will not cut. Huh. I'm gonna have to work on that a little bit more. Okay. Okay, that's it. Today, I told you I'd see you again.
Yes, I was like, he's just saying that because he knows he'll come tomorrow.
Man, I haven't seen it this busy ever. It's like 8 cents a pound. What if you guys paid 10? You'd need a bigger yard, right?
Yeah, we need to have a big yard, but I'm so happy that we're up to 8. I hope we go up to 9 and stay steady.
Well, it's good for business for everybody. How you doing?
Okay, Sam, thank you. And Sam, you are the best brother.
All right, have a great day. Thank you.
See you later.
Maybe later today?
Maybe later. If I don't see you anymore today, enjoy. If not, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, thanks.
Bye, Sam.
Bye.
Seven two 4011161 JPG.
We had exactly 1,000 pounds, so half a ton. That's a ton moved onto the trailer and then moved off. Not bad. So 80 bucks for that at 8 cents a pound. Our shred delivery today was pretty good. Those racks, I know, are worth more than shred. They already pulled those off the trailer and put them in the corner for their own use or maybe for another customer, but that's okay. You know, it's a give and take thing. I appreciate everybody watching the show today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. Like and share if you really like the show. And I will see you on the next one, which will probably be in a couple of days. The production department is working overtime to get stuff done. We'll see you next time. Scrapper Sam.